Amalunga we-ANC aqalene namacala wobulelesi obuqinileyo kunye nobunye wobulelesi abanalo ithuba lokuthi babe wabongikhethani bamakhansela wehlangano le. Kaze abaningi babo abenze ubulelesi bakhutjhiwe erhelweni labongikhethani be-ANC abathunyelwe ikomitjhini yezekhetho izolo. Lokhu konke nje kukhambisana nomthetho we-ANC wokuzitshidisa nangabe wenze ubulelesi. Inhlangano ebusako le inikelwe elinye ithuba godu ngemva kokubhalelwa kufaka irhelo lamabizo wabongikhethani kiwo masipalata abama-93 ngomhla ka-23 kuRhoboyi.
3 people in the Dala Omar region, because they had already indicated they were with other parties. They had moved to another political party. We removed the lady that had insulted people with HIV and AIDS in Ward 94, also in the Western Cape. We had removed the mayor of Beaufort West because he was criminally charged.
Duarte uthi abonobhala besingisebembe kunye neWaterberg eLimpopo kunye nomhleli weNorth West uHlomani Chauke bazokuthathelwa amagadango basiwe ekundleni ekhalimako ngokungalandeli ngefanelo imithetho ebekiweko yezekomiti yamakhetho ye-ANC. Kukunje sekuthunyelwa amalunga we-ANC eNorth West kuqalwe ukuthi asebenze ngendaba le iveke le.
Those that have been mentioned, and if I'm not mistaken, there are 3 that have been mentioned in total. All those 3 people, the recommendation is that there are investigations and disciplinary action be taken.
Kube nentshijilo eziningi ezivelako ngerhelo lamabizo wabongikhethani be-ANC. Amanye amalunga athonyekileko abe achagala ngaphandle komzimkhulu we-ANC. Duarte uthi bonke laba bangakaneliseki bazokunikelwa ithuba lokuthi baveze inlilo zabo ngemva kwamakhetho.
The only dispute that may be relevant is if a person can prove without reasonable doubt to the ANC that they were indeed the candidate that the community did select.
Duarte ukhulume nangokuthoma kwekambiso yokukhetha abongikhethani bengikhundla zobumeyara. Kanti leyo ikambiso ifaka hlangana ukuthi abongikhethani bahlungwe zimphathimandla eziphezulu ezisithandathu ze-ANC.